coming down equal,
Okay.
or you will have a problem because
Is that working now?
line up otherwise.
Babe, can you pause the video for a bit? I want to see something. Okay, yeah, I think it's working. You can go ahead. So now I need to ensure that this is actually being, the captions is actually working. It is not for now, and I think it's because I'm choosing stream only. Let's do streams and local recordings. If I do that, I still don't see anything at this point. So let me just do local recordings only. And now, I think I need to save it. I think I need to save it.
See what temperature comes up to for a standby. Then I'll go get a.
Yeah, after saving it, then I can try speaking again. Oh boy, it's blank.
Should be set at 230. That's where I have it right now. And the sublimation temperature at 355 with a time of 30 to 50 seconds. I'm going to go to 50 seconds here because it's a pretty dense graphic.
Okay, so that's still not working.
Got it set up that way. It's not what I'm used to. I'm used to having a temperature that just holds all the time.
I think this line said it's not working. So let's do capture source. Audio input capture. Audio input capture. So let's do. Don't know how many lines these are, but it's not working. Let's save that. Okay, so now I can see.
So what I need to do now is get my project ready.
I can see that the captions is actually happening. Can you see that? You can look at it loading over here. Hello. These are the captions. So it's able to get everything that I'm saying, and it's getting that really fast. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to change it to Espanol. It's even showing up over here as well, so I can close this window. I don't need this pop-up. I can just use the one here. So now I need to change it to Espanol to see if it can change what I am saying into a different language. Wait, Spanish has a lot, so there's Bolivian Spanish. That is weird. So how are we supposed to know which one is correct? Yeah, so now I am testing this out. Let's see if it's going to work and if it's actually going to translate it to Spanish. It's doing it in English. It's doing it in English, and I'm not sure why. Okay, I think it has started switching, so let's use Google Translate to see if we are getting this correctly. Google Translate. So I think there's certain things you would say that maybe the word doesn't exist in Spanish. You get, yeah, so let's paste this here and see what it says. Which in English. That's funny. This is funny. It looks very unreliable because I'm not seeing all the text all at once. No. It's not so good. Okay, not a problem. So let's try settings again and see if we can change something. Okay, so let's turn this off so that it kind of reduces. Let's turn that off so it reduces the amount of text being recorded. Oh, so I think I get what's going on. It's trying to caption based on the language I'm speaking, but what I want is with translations. You get the point?
Yeah.
This is not what I want. There's no enable translation inside the plugin window. I didn't see that. Yeah. I don't see any enable translation.
What is this? I'm not sure what's going on. My gun is swollen.
Why is it swollen?
I don't know. It feels reduced immunity.
Yeah, this guy still hasn't called us.
For sure. Wait, these people that their customers are, they are going to UK, US to go and do dress for their customers. Is it the customer that is paying for their flights? I really need to know.
Could be. And it also depends. If you are getting 5, 6, 7, 8 people that you have to go and do it for all at once and you're profiting from it, you can pay.
Because I'm wondering how they keep flying to go and answer one customer. And I remember that one that said I'll pay for their transport from Lagos to Lagos. Like, I just said, oh, okay. I didn't know there are some customers who pay for flights for people to come and get them. I'll ask on the phone.
You do.
Yeah, I'm not on that before, so I don't know if he knows.
Can you take this from there for me?
And my goal is Jesus Christ. They were just telling Semo, and it's okay, we broke, and they fell in.
What are they doing on top of the soccer? Are they showing you or it's a video?
You're right. It's not my fault. It's your fault.
Here's why heaven.
Okay, here's why some pregnancies come with brutal nausea, like vomit at the smell of freshly printed money, while others are basically a walk in the park.
New Colgate
Not just
Herbal with
moms,
Salt
hormones.
combines traditional
Turns out
nature's
sperm
herbs with a
quality is
pinch of
part of why
salt
she
and
suddenly
Colgate
cried.
syrup.
Wait,
A natural recipe
have you been seeing those
This is how I
lectures about why your wife is always having pregnancy issues and hormones and mood swing and all that during pregnancies, and always vomiting and things and having abnormal cravings? He said it's linked to the quality of the sperm,
How true is that?
aside the hormones of the woman.
How true is that? Is it provable?
Yeah.
What is They're just saying it on social media.
No,
How is
it's
it
not
provable?
social media. It's not just social media.
Vocal for real-time transcription with buffering and real-time translation. Hello everyone, today I want to show you a tutorial of how to use local vocal to get real-time transcription with translation. What I have here in my OBS scene is my audio input from the microphone, where I set local vocal transcription as an audio filter. I'm using the Whisper Tiny model, so it runs pretty fast. I enabled my advanced settings mode and also partial transcription. I'm pulling this all the way down to 500 milliseconds. So I'm getting a very snappy real-time transcription of what I'm saying, exactly what I'm saying it. The other thing I have set up in my local vocal is file output. I'm saving this to just an output text file. And I have a second OBS text source in here reading from the file. I'm also enabling chat log mode to only get 2 lines in a custom text extent so that I get nice wrapping of the text. This way, what I'm saying in real time shows up in yellow in here, but once I finish a sentence, it is committed to the file and will show up in the chat log. This makes sure that people have enough time to read your captions before they disappear. Now let's try to add real-time translation. I'm going to add another OBS text source. We'll call it translation real-time and just let it go anywhere. Back in the audio output, I will translation real-time English wrapping of the text. This way, what I'm saying in real time shows up and will show up before OBS text source. We'll call it translation real-time.